sunshines, welcome to my kitchen. As you can see, I don't consider myself a cook and I wouldn't say I'm a good cook, but I can make certain things that are very simple and very easy to make. So today I wanted to share with you guys, since I think a lot of people think that cooking something healthy or just having healthier options at home may either not taste as good as other things that you may compare it to or are hard to make. So I made this video in hopes that it will help you think of it in an easier and faster way that isn't so complicated, and I am proof of that. If I can do it, you can do it. So here are some simple and easy healthy meals that I like to make, and I think it's very easy for anyone to make, and I hope you enjoy it. Alright, so get your blender and start adding bananas. I used 2 bananas, but you can use 1 or 2 depending on how much you want to make. And I also like to add some mango to mine too. I also add coconut water to make it more blendable and creamy, just like yogurt. And also because I'm a little addicted to coconut water. Now get yourself a bowl so we can start adding some nutrition and some yummy toppings. I typically go for chia seeds, always, because it's so good for you. I also add almonds and raspberries. But of course, you can add whatever you like, whatever is your favorite, just add it in there. And seriously guys, this is better than ice cream in every single way. Now this egg wrap is super easy and super healthy. We're just whipping up some eggs with some coconut oil on a pan. And the wrap I love using is made of only coconut meat. No grains, no wheat, no carbs. Yep, just coconut. To keep it classic, I'm just adding some salt and pepper and topping it all off with some fresh raw spinach, not cooked spinach, for more nutrition. And sometimes I also like to add tomatoes and wrap it up, but today I kept it simple. Now this is probably the easiest but most delicious thing ever. The trick is to carve out a bigger hole for your egg to go in and separate the egg yolk and the egg whites so you have a perfect fit and no spill. Add the extra egg whites with a spoon to control how much goes in and no spill. Season it with whatever you like. I'm just using salt and pepper. Now place it in the oven for 15 minutes if you want soft eggs, or 20 minutes if you don't like runny eggs. Now this is probably my favorite thing to make because it's so quick, easy, and guilt-free deliciousness. I'm simply adding some cut up romaine lettuce, lots of broccoli, but sometimes I add cauliflower instead, and lots of baby tomatoes. Oh, but of course, avocado. After you have seen every shade of me, can you still love me again? Is the brightest light that you will see. I also love adding in some spinach, and I also love to make my own homemade dressing. Every shade of me, will you still love me? All you need is some lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil. Place it in a blender and blend it up nicely. For my size salad, I used 2 big lemons and about 10 cloves of garlic and just a little bit of olive oil. top it off, you can add some baked chicken, or my personal favorite, mango of course, and this adds such a sweet and sour combo that I love. So that wasn't so hard, right? Told you. If you enjoyed this video or you want more videos like this one, let me know by pressing the like button, and I'll be sure to come up with more cooking ideas that I can share with you guys. If you recreate any of these, I would love to see it, so share it with me on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook, whichever. I'm on all of those. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.